Good morning everyone. Today I will demonstrate the steps involved in creating a YouTube channel. If you want to create a channel but you do not know how to, watch this video till the very end. Before I start the demonstration, there are certain basics that I want you to keep in mind. The first important point that you need to decide is the niche of your channel. Now, what do I mean by the word niche? Very simply put, a niche is an area of specialization. Do you love cars? Do you know enough about them to create videos? And do you think those videos will interest the audience? If you do, then you can create a channel in the cars niche. If you are into fitness and you can create videos on workouts, you can create videos on diet plans, you can start a channel in the fitness niche. Now you can ask me, but why is it that I can't create a channel which is broad-based? Why can't I have all sorts of videos on my channel? Technically you can. You can put all of these videos together, but that will not help your channel in growing. So think of your channel as a place where people come for a solution. If you want a pizza, if you're craving for garlic bread, would you order from a generic restaurant or would you order from a Pizza Hut or a Domino's? Think of your channel as a restaurant which offers food of a specific cuisine. So you offer either Italian or Thai or Mexican, but you don't offer all of them. If you publish broad-based content on your channel, you will not get subscribers. And if you do not get subscribers, your channel will not grow. If somehow you manage to get some subscribers, many of your videos would be irrelevant to many of your subscribers, and your subscribers would remain inactive. There would be little engagement on your video, and therefore your channel will not grow. So therefore it is recommended that you stick to one particular niche for your channel. Now let's do the actual process of creating a YouTube channel. So head to www.youtube.com. You see the sign in button here, click on it. You need a Gmail ID to be able to log into YouTube. You can either choose to log in to YouTube with your existing Gmail ID, or you can choose to create a new one. So I want to log in using my existing Gmail ID. So I'll click here. Enter the password, click on the next button. So I click Nishesh. This is the profile that I want to log in to. This may take a while to buffer as the connectivity is slightly on the slower side today. So let's wait for this page to, okay. So now on the top right hand side, click on the top right hand side, go to settings, click on add or manage your channels. Now I want to create a new channel. And I want to name this Learn Digital Marketing. So click on the create button. So now your channel has been created by the name of Learn Digital Marketing. But you need to set up your channel. So click on Customize Channel button here. Now here you see placeholders for two very important images. This right here, this one is the channel icon. This is a very important image, and this image should be in line with the name and the purpose of your YouTube channel. So I have already downloaded a suitable image. So let's click here and let's upload that image. Okay, so you can crop this image as well. I want to keep the portion till here. Then click on done. So now you have an image for your digital marketing channel. Okay. This is the channel icon. Now go back here again, and this should get refreshed. Okay, so now you can see the channel icon. Next you have a placeholder where you can upload a channel art. This again is a big image, and it's best that you create a channel art from scratch, and this channel art should suit the purpose and the name of your channel. For the time being, I'm choosing one of the images in the gallery here. So let's say I am using, okay, I'm using this image here. Now this image appears differently in a desktop, on a TV and on a mobile device, so you may want to adjust the crop here. I'm just going to go for select. Okay, so now I have my channel icon which says learn digital marketing, and I also have a YouTube banner for my channel. So now this is done. So the next step is to fill a channel description. Okay, so click on the channel description button here, and the channel description tells the viewers what the channel is all about. You may want to talk about the kind of content that you are going to upload. You may want to talk about your upload schedule, how frequently you will upload. And so once you are done, click on the done button here. The next section is details. So you can enter an email ID here for business inquiries. If you want to link this channel to your social media, you can click on the add button, and you can add your URLs here. Once you're done with that, click on the done button. So with that, you have your basic channel setting ready. Now once you're done with all of this, let's take you to some more advanced settings. Okay, so after you are done with this section, go to YouTube Studio. To go to YouTube Studio, click on the top right hand side of your channel. Go to YouTube Studio. Go to the settings tab. Under settings tab, go to channel and enter the keywords. Now these are the keywords which would help viewers find your channel. Okay, so for example, let me give you an example. Now this channel will have content on digital marketing. So let me think about the keywords which people will use to search relevant content. So for example, how can I create a YouTube channel. How can I edit videos? How to grow my YouTube channel? How to start a blog? How to monetize my YouTube channel? So essentially, keywords are the words which will help people to find your channel. So therefore, you should choose your keywords very carefully. Next, once you are done with it, you can leave this field blank. Then go to the next section, which is upload defaults. Now, upload defaults is a section wherein if you add something here under the title section, all of your videos that you upload would have the same title. If you add a description here, all of your videos would have a similar description. So generally for me, the title of the video would be different, the description would be different. So I am leaving these fields as blank. Now visibility is a very interesting field. So when you set your when you set the visibility to public, everybody can see your channel and everybody can see the videos that you upload on your YouTube channel. The setting private requires the creator to give access to anyone that wants to watch the video. Okay. Then you have the third option, which is unlisted. So unlisted is an option where your video is visible to anyone who has the link of the video, but they will not be able to search your videos through search engines. So if your purpose is to get as much exposure to your YouTube channel as possible, you should set the visibility as public. Now once you have done all of this, it's very important to verify your account. To verify your account, go to channel status and features. Click on the verify button. So when you click on the verify button, you'll have to enter your country, and YouTube will send you a verification code. So you have two options: either that verification code will be sent to you through an automated voice message, or the verification code could be texted to you. So I am choosing the second option here, and I need to enter my phone number. So once I've entered, I will enter my verification code. So once I have done that, I see that my YouTube account is now verified, and there are certain features which will be unlocked now. Click on the settings. Let's again see channel status and features, and you'll see that some new features have been unlocked. So I can upload my videos on YouTube. I can upload videos which are longer than 15 minutes. This was already unlocked before I verified my number. I can create custom thumbnails for my videos. I can link annotations to external sites or to merchandising partners. So for all of these options I have become eligible. Okay. So with that done, now let's move to the actual step of uploading a video on YouTube. Now that we have set up our channel, let's now look at the steps to upload a video on YouTube. To upload a video on YouTube, do you see the plus icon here? Click on it and choose the option upload video. Now you have two options here. Either you can drag and drop the video file that you intend to upload, or you can select and browse the file. I will choose the second option. I want to upload this video here, so I will double click on this, and so this shows that the video is in the process of being uploaded. The process is still on. Alright, so while the video gets uploaded, let's work on some of the other elements. I need to put a suitable title for the video, and this title should tell the viewers what the video is all about. So in a Word document, I have written down the title of this video. The title of this video is how to create a YouTube channel, and then there is a section on description. The section on description should describe in some amount of detail what exactly are you showing in the video. So this is my description here. I'm going to copy and paste this in the description box, and I'm going to make sure that this looks good, that the visibility is good. In this tutorial, I will take you through all the steps to create a brand new YouTube channel. Additionally, we will see the pros and cons of a broad-based channel versus a channel with niche content. The tutorial also covers all the steps required to upload and publish videos on YouTube, and in the last line I've written, if you haven't already, like, share and subscribe to my channel. So with all of that done, I will next go to the next section, which is uploading a thumbnail. Now there are two options which YouTube gives to you. The first option is that you can use one of the three stills from your video as a thumbnail. These three stills are here. You don't have a choice in deciding which three stills would be these from your video. These are any three random stills which YouTube has chosen. So my suggestion is that you don't go for this. You create your own thumbnail for the video. And I have actually downloaded a thumbnail. So I'll choose this and double click on this. This is how the thumbnail of my video will look like. The next item is playlists. Now I don't have a playlist on my channel. I can actually create a new playlist, but I will leave this field for blank now since I don't have a series of videos. If I had a series of videos on, let's say, how to create a YouTube channel, how to upload videos on a YouTube channel, how to edit videos, what is the kind of gear or equipments that you need to use to be able to create videos, then I would have maybe created a playlist and listed all of these videos under that playlist. So for now, I will leave that field blank. The next option is this video made for kids? Now this is a mandatory field. So my video is not intended for kids, so therefore I will select no, it's not made for kids. Then let's click on the next field, which is more options. So am I promoting some products or some services in my video. If I am, I need to click on this. Now because I'm not promoting any product or service, because I'm not doing any paid promotion on this particular video, I need not check on this video. So I will leave this field as blank. The next option is tag. A tag is a keyword. Okay. So we can use multiple keywords in our video, and you should choose your tags or your keywords very carefully. Think of how a particular user will search for a video similar to this one. So I have actually created some tags here, and each of these tags is a comma separated field. So let me select and put these tags here. So how to create a YouTube channel. So there are people who would search using this particular phrase. Then there are people who would search how to create a YouTube channel in 2020. Then somebody would search how to upload a video on YouTube. Somebody would search niche channel versus broad-based channel. So my keyword covers all of this, all of these. So my tags cover all of these keywords. And so then once I'm satisfied that I'm using the right keywords, I will go to the next field, which is language, subtitles and closed captions. I am not using any subtitles here, so I would leave this field as blank. The recording date and location, I don't want to publish these. I don't want to publish my recording date. If you want to use it, you would say that 7th of June. You can choose the appropriate date. I don't want to publish a video location, but if I wanted, I could have added India to it. Now these two options, allow embedding is an option which is checked by default, and this option allows others to embed your video in their sites. I don't want others to embed my videos on their sites, and since I don't have any subscribers as of now, I'm keeping this option as unchecked. This option is published to subscription feed and notify subscribers. So if I had any subscribers on my channel, and if I had kept this field as checked, so the moment I publish my video, all my subscribers would get notified. Next, what is the category of my video? So I'll keep this as people and blocks, and you can choose whatever option you want to choose. So I think my option chooses the people and blocks niche, so I'll keep it there. Then comments and ratings, choose if and how you want to show comments. Now you have various options here. All these options are self-explanatory. Now if people comment on your video, do you want to allow all comments? Then choose this option. Do you want to hold potentially inappropriate comments for review? If you do, you can choose this option. Then there is a third option in which none of the comment gets published before you review them. So if you want that option, you can choose hold all comments for review. The fourth option is where you disable all comments, so nobody can publish a comment on your video. Now I'm going to choose the first option, and then there's the next option of how do you want your comments to be viewed. Do you want your topmost comment? Your topmost comment is the comment which is the most liked to be published on top of the comment page, or do you want the newest comment to be published on top of the comment page? So I will leave this, so I will go by the default choice. Show how many viewers like and dislike this video. Yes, I want to be able to see this. How many viewers like and dislike this video. And when I click on this, all my viewers would also be able to see how many viewers like and dislike this video. If I don't want my viewers to see how many people have liked and how many people have disliked this video, I will uncheck this. So after I am done with all of these steps, I will click on next. So the next fields are video elements, where you can add an end screen. Now an end screen is typically added in the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video, and this allows you to promote other content. So for example, you can place a link to another of your videos in the end screen. For example, let's say I have, for example, in this video I am talking about how to create a YouTube channel, and I could say in the last 20 seconds that if you want to learn how to edit videos better, then you can go here, and I can share the link on my current video. A card is also very similar to an end screen. The one difference between a card and an end screen is that a card can be added at any point in your current video, while an end screen can be added only at the end. So I am not using either of these two features. So I will skip these and click on the next button. So when I click on the next button, I have the option of publishing my video as private, unlisted or public. To start off with, I will publish my video as private and see that everything is the way I wanted. After I publish my video as private, it is actually posted on YouTube, but I am the only person who can see this. And so after my video is published, I will go and play the video on YouTube and see that everything is correct. If everything is correct, then I will again change the setting to public. When I change the setting to public, everybody can see my YouTube video. So I'm going to click on private and click on save. Now this is my YouTube video here. So if I click here and I click on the video link, activity. Now once you have done all of this, it's very important to verify your account. To verify your account, go to channel status, and this is how the video looks on YouTube. And here you can see the description of the video. Okay. Now since the video looks okay to me, I will now set the visibility to public. To do that, I click on the top right hand side. Then I go to YouTube Studio. I click on videos here. I have only one video on my channel, and I can see that the visibility is currently set as private. So I select the drop down, I click on the drop down here, and then I click on public. Finally, I click on the publish button. So once I click on the publish button, this video is now public. I can click on this link here, click here, and play the video again. So another very important activity. Now once you have done all of this, so this is how you create a channel on YouTube, and this is how you upload a video on YouTube. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful. That's all I have for you today. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you.